The boys are leaving for a fishing trip, which is very exciting. Casey got a fishing boat. Look at how Winston packs everywhere he goes. In this sleeping bag. It was like the greatest, hey Gager, the greatest gift that Winston was ever given was a sleeping bag. He loves it, takes it everywhere, packs in it. What the heck do you have in there? Have fun, guys. Be careful. Oh, are you tired? Hey, have fun, guys. Be safe. Bye. So the boys went on a fishing trip. We really wanted to go, but I have so much that I have to get done. This mess all has a purpose in here. I'm going to be working on some things in here. And then I'm not sure if I mentioned that I'm doing a little pop-up shop with Woven, Carly's clothing store. And so I have been trying to make some crafts, and I kind of feel like, I don't know, I love these little monster puzzles, and so I wanted to make some to sell, but they take a lot of time, and last night I was making them, and I love it. I love making them, so I actually like enjoy it. It just takes a lot of time, and I was thinking I probably should have picked something different because I could have made more, but I just love them. I did make this puzzle that I love so much. It's so pretty. I made a puzzle like this for Layla. I actually did one in her name, and then I did a smaller one like this that says dance, except for I think that I did all dancers, not the ballet shoes. But what I did different was I did acrylic behind each puzzle piece, and I just think it turned out so pretty. So I really want to do something like this with fairies or butterflies. I just don't know what word to use. And these are my little monster puzzles that I've been working on. They're just the cutest. I just really, really love these. Layla was working on this over here with me yesterday. So that's what we've been working on. This has been my situation. I am thinking that I need another desk somewhere. Just when I'm wanting to do a lot of projects, it's just a little cramped. I actually, last night when I was going to bed, I was like, oh yeah, I can raise this up. So I think if I raise this table up, that's going to make this work area a little better. The only problem is when Layla's up here, she really needs that. So, you know, just trying to figure out this workspace. This is such a mess. I can't remember if I showed this. I haven't got it all glued together, but I really, really love this that I just made also. Isn't that so pretty? I was inspired to make that by some signs that I have in my bedroom that I really love, and they're diamond shape like that. So anyways, I'm just gonna try to get my craft stuff actually finished so that they'll be ready. But the timing was unfortunate that Casey just got a fishing boat, was really excited to take it out, and I usually don't have much going on, and I just happened to have this going on, and then I have a brine deal that I'm going to be doing next week that I have to get ready for, that I'm really excited about. I'm so excited about it. So anyways, this is what I'll be doing all day. I was just telling Layla and Braylee that we should go and have like a little lunch or something in a little bit. I just cut this out. How cute is that? I'm going to do the same thing. These are acrylic, just a clear acrylic, and I'll put it behind. Cute.
Hi guys.
This still has a sticker on it and stuff.
Have you noticed something new
my glow
about
forge,
me?
I heart it so much. It's
Guys,
like the
you
greatest
know
thing ever.
something new about me?
Oh, what is it? We changed her earrings. Look how pretty Layla looks for lunch.
Well,
You ready, girl?
yeah,
Okay.
tomorrow I'm
look.
gonna wear the same thing.
Whoops. I'm tripping over a tripod. I raised this up and it is nice.
It's almost taller
You
than
look
me,
beautiful.
guys.
Does it look fine like this?
I'm gonna
Or
put
should I
some
put it
brush
in a clip?
It looks cute. I like it. Look, Braylee redid her picture wall here. It's so
Guess
cute.
what, guys?
I love that.
I did it all by myself.
Looks really good. Well,
That's pretty easy.
this is so cute. I do have a tutorial for this. I will link it down below because it's really easy. It just looks adorable.
Guess what, guys?
What?
Guess what?
What?
Chicken butt.
You. Have I talked about my new shoes yet? Because they're making me feel pretty dang cute. I'm obsessed with platform shoes, and I'm very happy that they've come back. They've stayed for a while. These shoes are cute, like the regular ones, and then they made them platform. Took me a while to get them because they're always sold out. But
My
I stopped
shoes,
Nike.
the brand new.
And these are very cute. I'm trying not to eat as much sugar, and it's
take a
definitely
bite.
doesn't look worth it. Nothing.
Just take a bite.
No, stop it.
It's so good, I
I'm
promise.
not. I'm trying not
Please.
to eat a lot of
Just
sugar.
one bite.
I've been trying not to eat so much sugar because
If you
I
love me, I'll take a bite of this.
100% feel like I'm giving myself diabetes because my diet is like 75% sugar. No.
If you love me, I'll take a bite.
I love you so much. I'm not. Is it gross? Is that
Oh,
why?
it's so good.
Okay, I believe you. You just barely told me that it didn't cook.
I did though. The reason why I was like that
I'm
is 'cause
hoping
look,
like the sugar
spongy.
is maybe a reason why my acne is so bad, been so bad. And honestly, my acne has gotten a lot better. I'm also trying to drink more water, which I haven't been good at for a couple days, and I'm feeling that. I feel like I'm like retaining water. Casey and I went to run stairs at the high school. He's been hiking. He hikes with a backpack on to get ready for hunting season, and I was like, oh, I love running stairs
what,
because I
guys?
used to run stairs in high school, and then I went and ran stairs, and I was like, oh, I'm so out of shape. Anyways, it was hot, I was sweating, and just retaining water, because when I'm not drinking a lot of water, I retain water, I like don't sweat, so drink water. So long-winded for not saying anything, except for drink more water. Okay, we're going to lunch. I just put my camera back on this little stick, and hopefully I'll be filming better angles of myself, because every time I edit a vlog, I'm like, Braylee, do I have the worst double chin? Because I usually vlog like this, and I don't pay attention to that, so I'm gonna try to get better angles.
I just started lining my lips.
Did I ever tell you that when I was in high school, we would do brown, I would usually buy like eyeliner, brown lip liner, and then fill it in with like a pearly golden lip gloss. So you still wanted to see the line. Blend it like
A tiny bit.
ever so slightly. It was cute with our white eyeliner.
I did pink.
You look cute. I like it.
It's yours.
What?
It's yours.
What?
This lip liner.
I know. You can use my lip liner. We just need to get a sharpener because they're all either broken or they're dull.
Real dull.
I asked Braylee to vlog because I wanted to talk to her about something I was thinking about yesterday. And I really want a commitment from you.
She wants a video commitment.
Yes, I want to be able to replay this for you when you say, yes, of course I would love to do that, Mom. The time in Braylee's life that I've been dreading since I realized like, oh shoot, time goes by so fast is here now. It's her last year of high school. We don't know what she'll do next year. Maybe she'll stick around here for a while.
I don't even know.
Yeah, we don't know. But what we do know is that you'll for sure be living here for another year. Would you commit to doing a video a week with me where we just sit down, talk about what's on our mind, maybe like topics that people would want?
Yeah.
We've talked about doing a podcast for years and years. We didn't do it. We originally wanted to do a vlog together because Braylee is a brilliant
I love writing.
writer. She has just a way of putting things into words that is so beautiful, and she always has, legit, since she could write, or learned how to write in school, or learned how to put sentences together. And we really dropped the ball on all that, which is okay. But I just thought, you're gonna be 18 in September. I feel like it's a good time to talk about things, and Braylee really wants to start a blog, which is so great. I think that everyone reading will love it.
Yeah.
And I just thought this would be a way to kind of, have these conversations, and then if you wanted to further the conversation, or
Go to the blog,
then we could send everyone to the blog to read that. But would you commit to doing one a week? We would just have to pick a day. You would have to take work off.
I have Tuesdays and Fridays off of work every single
And we'll
week.
do it every single week.
Yep.
Because then, one, that is something that we've both been very passionate about, is talking about things, especially from a mom's point of view, a daughter's point of view. And then we know, this is so sad, but we know once a week we're going to be sitting down together and having a conversation. Life gets busy. We're always going here and there and everywhere, mostly you. And then we'll have that time together, and then something to look back on.
Before I leave.
Will you? Will you do it?
Yeah.
You'll commit to me?
I'll commit.
Okay. Let's start next week. Okay?
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay, if there's anything that you guys want to talk about, we're doing this. I don't know how to do a podcast, or I would do a podcast. Maybe I'll figure it out. Maybe I'll have someone who can help me put our videos into onto the podcast
Yeah.
in the podcast world. Right now we're just gonna do videos because I do know how to do that. But I do have good microphones,
Yeah.
so the audio will be good.
Yeah. We bought them like 3 years ago.
Longer than that.
Yeah.
Legit 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah. But we're prepared now.
Yeah. Okay, I'm excited.
Stay tuned.
Wait.
What,
Before we get
what?
started, make sure to subscribe with a big thumbs up and turn on the notifications so you don't miss another video like this.
YouTube kids. A couple vlogs ago when we broke down at the airport, we ended up just replacing the battery in my car that you can hear dinging because my car doesn't shift into park. So this is what happened. Eventually it usually shifts into park, and it didn't long enough in the airport that it just completely ruined the battery. Casey replaced the battery, we made it home, it was all fine. It was very stressful. Braylee was gonna take a shuttle home. We were looking for hotels, and then Casey was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try to replace the battery, and mostly, and it worked. But I didn't talk anymore about that. But let me know if you have the same problem. My last Traverse also had this problem. I love my car, I love the Traverse, but this
Guess what, guys?
makes me so angry.
I'm gonna be in kindergarten.
You ready to go back? I can't believe it's full day kindergarten. They just switched it this year. Thanks. Really happy all the years that they decided to do it this year. Because I mean, I'm ready to not have kids at home.